For the next 2 days, a team of mini truckers with different backgrounds, some backyard mechanics, people in their home shops turning rust into driveway diamonds, to shop and business owners, those who make their living working on other people's dream rides. For 24 hours, I'm donating my truck to have an entire air ride installed, sponsored in part by Airbag.com, Blade Clothing, and Minitruckin TV.
Do they have any concerns?
If they succeed, bragging rights as the winners of the very first Minitruck Build-off. Can they do it? Well, with just 16 hours on the clock, can they work together as a team and complete this truck? Or will the pressure get to them and end this build with frustration and I walk home? Here's the game plan. Install entire airbag setup. Have 2 days, 8 hours each day, 16 hours total. Must use supplied parts and fabricate any missing components. End game, dragging the truck. Ladies and gentlemen, I am your host, Todd Hayden, along with Wirenut and Gunner. This is Minitruckin TV presents Minitruck Build-off 1, the airbag install. Let's get going!